diary. Today, Mark asked me for a date. How nice naman. I've already asked permission from Tita Vicky, and she said yes. It's the first time that I'll be going out with a guy alone. Sayang, Mark. You weren't able to meet my mom. She's staying kasi at the hacienda for a few days eh. Siguradong magkakasundo kayo nun.
I am? I think so. I'm a very likable person naman eh.